All right, picture this for a second. You're staring down a massive software release. Deadlines are incredibly tight, stakeholders are stressing out, and the pressure is absolutely on, right? Nowadays, organizations desperately need people who can actually manage quality, risk, and run entire testing teams, not just, catch the bugs. And that is exactly where the ISTQB Advanced Level Test Management, or CTAL-TM version 3.0 certification comes into play. Think of it as your direct career bridge from tester to leader. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to stop just finding bugs and actually start leading the team? Because let's be honest, it's a huge pain point in our industry. So many incredibly talented testers just get stuck on this treadmill of endless test execution. But modern development teams, they need leaders. They need folks who can manage quality risk and literally tie the testing efforts straight back to what the business is actually trying to achieve. Sure, you've probably heard of the foundation level, or CTFL. That's strictly for beginners, right? It gets you fluent in basic test execution. But the CTAL-TM, that is for experienced pros. This is really your ultimate leap into QA management. It completely shifts the focus away from just the basic mechanics and goes all in on strategic leadership and quality governance. To make that massive leap, the version 3.0 syllabus zeroes in on 3 core pillars. First up, managing activities. That's all about planning and keeping execution totally on track. Second, managing the product. This means actually using metrics and defect data to make really sharp, informed decisions. And third, managing the team, which covers coaching and, of course, stakeholder communication. And you'll notice these are all super action-oriented. This whole thing is entirely about practical application, not just sitting around reading theory. Okay, so how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, imagine you're managing a high-stakes release for a banking app. Step 1, you're going to build a solid agile test strategy. Step 2, you apply risk-based priorities, so you're focusing your testing purely on the risks that actually mattered at the bottom line. And Step 3, you actively monitor and course-correct using your key metrics. Honestly, these 3 steps are exactly how a certified manager keeps a complex agile project from completely going off the rails. And the payoff? By mastering all this, you earn globally recognized leadership credibility. I mean, ISTQB certifications are respected literally worldwide. Holding that CTAL-TM credential absolutely opens doors to high-level roles. Think test manager or quality consultant. It proves, without a doubt, to organizations that you've got those sharp decision-making instincts needed to seriously lower project risk. So, how do you actually make this happen? Well, the real secret is mastering the exam through practical case studies. And that's exactly where Testimeter comes in. They provide this amazing expert-led training packed with real-world scenarios and mock exams. And the best part? These exams test your actual judgment, not just your ability to memorize a textbook. If you are genuinely ready to step into leadership, Testimeter's program will get you there. So here's my final question for you to wrap up this explainer. Are you ready to finally stop testing the waters and actually take full control of your career trajectory?